Did you know a thief once robbed a bank over a long weekend, cooked dinner inside the vault, and then escaped a courtroom mid-trial by jumping out a window? In 1976, Albert Spaghiari led a crew into the sewers beneath Nice, France. They dug for weeks until they broke through the floor of a Société Générale bank vault. Then they moved in. For the entire Easter weekend, they ate, drank, and looted $8 million worth of cash and valuables. They even hung a sign before they left. It read, "Without weapons, without hatred, without violence." French police eventually tracked him down, but Spaghiari had one act left. During a court hearing, he asked the judge to see a document. He leaned close. Then he bolted to the window and jumped 2 stories onto a waiting motorcycle below. He was never caught again. France didn't quite know whether to be furious or impressed. Most people chose impressed. He hadn't just robbed a bank. He had made the entire system look like the joke he always believed it was. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and follow.